Hello, you are welcome. This is WhatsApp marketing. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your WhatsApp dashboard so that you can gain customers. So basically, this tutorial, you're going to be learning everything about WhatsApp marketing, both how to use the softwares that is needed for WhatsApp marketing and all that. So let's get started now. So first of all, we are going to set up our business tools, which is here. So I will click on business tool. As you can see, my WhatsApp is very empty. So, all right, click on business profile. All right, I've already added some things here. So you can see here's the name, my brand name, Gtech Media. You can add other businesses, what you do, web designer, or you can put different depending on the category you want to add up there. So this is your business address, business hours. So let me change some of these things. All right, business hour. So let me put always open. All right, so I will save that. Hit on save. You can see that my business hours has been updated. Then your email. So so let me go again. Please add me. Somebody just made payments now. As you can see, this is my WhatsApp marketing. I just show something to somebody, and you can see my somebody just made payments. So I will have to pause the video to go and attend to that person before they start panicking. Once they make payment like this, they think maybe you have scammed them or something. All right, I'll save that. So I also add my website. You can click on it. If you have a website, you can add your website here. HTTPS gtechmedia.com.ng. This is my website. You can go and check it out. That's my brand website. So as you can see, these are your products, your catalog. So I'll click on. So here, this is where you add your items. Now, this is very important. You can't tell me that you are doing business and people cannot enter your WhatsApp. You are doing WhatsApp marketing. Hence, you are publicizing, you are selling through WhatsApp. People will want to check your profile to see what you offer. You understand? You might be selling a particular product. When they check your WhatsApp profile, they see that you have other product. They might be interested in it. You understand? And that is how people assess. If you are meeting some persons that are very mature and want to make sure that they are doing business with somebody who know what he's doing, he or she is doing, they can't just buy from you like that if your WhatsApp is empty. You can't be selling something to people and your dashboard doesn't say anything about you, about what you do or your products. It shows that you are, there's a lot of scammers online. So in order for you to prove that you actually know what you are doing, you need to set up your dashboard. So here I'm going to click on add new item. You can see I'll click on add new item, creating your catalog so you can add items to it. So my catalog is currently very empty. All right, so your catalog is not ready. It's now ready. Okay. Item name. What should I even call this now? Web design. So actually, I have so many things, digital products that I offer. I'm into web design. I'm into UI UX design, which is, if you understand what UI UX design, if you don't know, go and Google it. I'm into UI UX design. Designing of applications, UX design. I'm into graphic design also. Understand? Then I'm into digital marketing. So I'm basically just doing my stuff online into digital marketing, ghostwriting, and Amazon KDP. So I have a lot of skills. I basically do all these things with my phone. So one of the lucrative business online today is what digital marketing, and this WhatsApp is being underrated. This WhatsApp can earn you a lot of money. You understand? So people use WhatsApp to chat online and do a lot of stuff, but you can use it to actually, you know, to actually earn a lot of money. So I will put my price at 70,000. Okay, they are saying it's invalid. So let me just put in. So so they don't allow. So you, they didn't even accept it. 70,000. That's all. Are you kidding me? Let me still try if I can. They will allow me to write. Oh, they didn't accept that. Okay, you have no option. Just put the price. That's the minimum amount I charge for web design. The description optional. All right, let me pick a gallery. I don't even know whether I have any banner on web design on this my phone. I doubt if I have any. I currently don't have my web design banners here. So I think they are my other phone. So for the case of this tutorial, let me just use my picture. Just put in my picture. So you can also add on that image here by clicking on this add image. So you already know how to set this thing up. Then after that, you click on save. There you can see website design cost is 70,000. So if you want to add another item, you also click on this to add another item. So that's how you set up your catalog. Everything that you do your business, you need to put them here so that when people come around here, they will know what you are into. Your contact and everything should definitely be here. All right. So other businesses. So it's basically very simple. This is just the introduction to WhatsApp marketing. So as you can see, okay.